Hello, Pro Cycle people. Mike here. We're going to go over a little bit of exhausting news for you. So don't get too worried. It's nothing bad. You might notice that we have EPA and CARB compliance stickers on our website now. It is something that we feel that we need to do to stay within the letter of the law and be able to get you your parts still. We do ask that you fill out a form saying that you will use this for race only if it is a race only product. We want to get you your parts, you want your parts, something that we have to do. Don't worry, we're not going to sell out any of your information. As always, that stays with us. Now, some things you might notice, any emission stuff, such as carbs, jet kits, air filters, exhausts, will come up as either EPA or CARB. Now, there are some companies that have already got a head start on making the compliance factors, such as Yoshimura. They have a Street Series exhaust, which is a OEM replacement. They've gone through the certification. So something that you can do there in California, you can throw that on and still be perfectly legal. Leo Vince is the same way. Now DG would be, they haven't gone through the compliance information, but they would be a race only. Just want to go over a couple things on the DG exhaust. This is a V2, which is the louder of the versions. They also make an RST, which is a little bit longer can, a little bit more muffling and silencing in the can. Now, DG does make a bunch of different quiet inserts, so if you wanted to tone it down a little bit, make it a little bit neighbor friendly, we can help you out with that. The quiet inserts actually just go by size pretty much. The bigger, the quieter it is. The ultra quiet there is really quiet, and it only will work on the V2. If you put it on RST, it'll fly out the back and get ran over by a truck. Don't ask me how I know that, but it will. So if you have a V2, definitely go for that one, or one of these two smaller ones here. Nice thing about the DG mufflers is to put a quiet insert in, it is really simple. There is just a screw here, and then there, what this basically just goes in, there's a little tab, you just stick her in there, and then tighten down the screw. Voila, you're done. Quiet insert is done. Now you can go out and rip around town and hopefully not make my neighbors so mad. So if you're looking for a little bit happier, quieter exhaust, look at and you have a DG, look at the quiet inserts. We also have them for the FMF as well. They are back in stock. The nice thing about our other exhausts, such as the Leo Vince, it comes with 3 different quiet inserts, so you can control the volume of that exhaust as well. So just a quick little tip and trick on the DG exhausts and their quiet inserts. So some things that you might want to look out for, we can help you along with if you have any questions on what you need for your bike, or what we can get you and how you can use it. But anyways, we wanted to just do a quick little video, explain what's going on, explain how we're getting you your parts, and any questions that you might have. I hope we could answer those really quickly. Until we see you next time, thank you for watching.